Resimo is the leading sales app helping developers worldwide sell apartments, flats, and other properties interactively in 3D. We work with nearly 100 developers across the globe, for whom we have delivered over 770 individual applications to date. Our core business is sales applications used in sales offices, tools that significantly transform the way developments are presented and help sell much faster. Our apps transport buyers through time and space, allowing them to experience a project before it's even built. This enables users to virtually step inside a future development and explore it in an intuitive and engaging way. Resimo apps have been deployed in 20 countries worldwide. One of our key products is the Interactive Master Plan. We have delivered projects of this type for developments such as Dubai Master Plan, Masdar City in Abu Dhabi, and Riga Waterfront. The master plan focuses on a broader perspective, allowing multiple developments and projects to be presented within one cohesive environment. We are capable of modeling not only individual developments but also entire cities. The master plan application offers full freedom of exploration. Users can navigate through the project, zoom in on selected buildings, and examine architectural details. It also enables dynamic changes in environmental conditions such as time of day, season, and weather, providing a more realistic and immersive experience. Interactive buildings can include detailed descriptions and image galleries that highlight key features of the development. Additionally, users can take a virtual walk through the project, experiencing it from a pedestrian perspective. This level of interactivity significantly enhances both the presentation and perception of the investment. Within the master plan application, it is also possible to integrate dedicated applications for individual buildings. This allows users to seamlessly transition from a general, large-scale overview to a detailed, high-quality exploration of specific properties. With the master plan application, developers as well as cities can present spaces in a far more dynamic and engaging way compared to traditional static models. We work closely with municipalities, architects, and developers to tailor the application's functionality to specific project requirements. The system enables features such as highlighting roads, transportation routes, and metro lines, further enhancing spatial understanding. With Master Plan, it is possible to present both entire cities and their selected areas in a way that clearly stands out from the competition. This solution is also highly effective in attracting investors. Its engaging and interactive format captures attention and supports investment decision-making. Master Plan is equally well suited for urban planning and the presentation or sale of large land areas. If you are interested in learning more, please feel free to contact us. Our team will be happy to arrange a meeting, either online or in person, anywhere in the world.